Rule of law. The concept of equality before law is an element of the concept of the rule of law propounded by Abid Dicey, the British jurist. His concept has been the following three elements or aspects. Point number one, absence of arbitrary power, that is, no man can be punished except for a breach of law. Point number two, equality before law, that is, equal subjection of all citizens, rich or poor, high or low, official or non-official, to the ordinary law of the land administered by the ordinary law courts. Point number three, the primacy of the rights of the individual, that is, the constitution is the result of rights of the individual as defined, enforced by the courts of law rather than constitution being the source of individual rights. The first and second elements are applicable to the Indian system and not the third one. In Indian system, the constitution is the source of the individual rights. The Supreme Court held that the rule of law as embodied in Article 14 is a basic feature of the Constitution, hence it cannot be destroyed even by an amendment. Exceptions to the equality. The rule of equality before law is not absolute, and there are constitutional and other exceptions to it. These are: point number one, President of India and Governor of State enjoy the following immunities. The President and the Governor is not answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of the powers and duties of his office. The criminal proceedings shall be instituted or constituted against the President or Governor in any court during his term of office is not acceptable, that is, no criminal proceedings. Point number three, no process for the arrest or imprisonment of the President or the Governor shall be issued from any court during his term of office. No civil proceedings against the President and the Governor shall be instituted during his term of office in any court in respect of any act done by him in his personal capacity, whether before or after he entered upon his office, until the expiration of 2 months next after the notice has been delivered to him. Point 2. No person shall be liable to any civil or criminal proceedings in any court in respect of publication in a newspaper, by radio or television, of a substantially true report of any proceedings either of either House of Parliament or either House of Legislature of a state. This is Article 361A. No member of Parliament or state legislature shall be liable to any proceedings in any court in respect of anything said or any vote given by him in Parliament or in any committees, in legislature, that is state legislature. Point number 5. Article 31C is an exception to Article 14. It provides that the laws made by the state for implementing the directive principles contained in Clause B or Clause C of Article 39 cannot be challenged on the ground that they are violative of Article 14. The Supreme Court held that where Article 31C comes in, Article 14 goes out. Point number 6. The foreign sovereigns, that is rulers, ambassadors and diplomats, enjoy immunity from criminal and civil proceedings. Point number 7. The UNO and its agencies enjoy the diplomatic immunities.